Shita and welcome back to my channel. This video, like the title suggests and you might have already read, is going to be a 24-hour pink food challenge. I'm basically going to be eating only pink food throughout the day: breakfast, lunch, dinner, and anything that's in between, like coffee, snacks. I am going to be trying pink coffee as well. I searched on the internet and you can actually add beetroot juice to your coffee to make it pink, but I really hope it does not spoil the taste of coffee for me forever. So we'll see how that goes. And of course I'm wearing pink as well today, so let's get started. But wait, before we go, my brother wants to say something.
Like, subscribe and share our channel.
Do hit the like button, the share button, and subscribe to my channel if you guys like my content. Now let's get started. Okay, so for breakfast we are making a pink smoothie. Obviously my mom is helping me with all the cooking today. It's got watermelon, chia seeds, dates, strawberries, carrots, beetroot, almond, some sunflower, pumpkin, sort of flax seeds ka mixture, and yogurt. And I am also using almond milk. It's going to be a very healthy smoothie. I'm gonna garnish this with some अनार.
मैं क्यों पे खेल रही हूँ? साइड में से लाइंस डाल.
ठीक है, लाइन डाल रही हूँ. Let's taste it. I'd put too much yogurt in it. It's not bad in taste, but it's very bland. I feel like सारे fruits के जो flavors हैं, I can't really taste them. तो स्मूदी तो मैंने फिनिश कर लिया है. आई थिंक दिस वॉज द ईजी पार्ट ऑफ द पिंक चैलेंज, क्योंकि पिंक स्मूदी तो काफ़ी कॉमन भी होता है. बट द रियल चैलेंज विल बी मेकिंग लंच एंड डिनर. लंच में वी आर हैविंग बीटरूट का रायता एंड उसके साथ कोई सब्जी होती है पिंक कलर की. आई टेल यू द एग्जैक्ट नेम. सब्जी का नाम क्या होता है?
कौन सी सब्जी का?
जो बना रहे हैं.
इससे इनोवेटिव. दाल भाजी को इंग्लिश में क्या? लाल भाजी बोलना.
लाल भाजी. इट्स कॉल्ड लाल भाजी.
Feeling good today. Feeling good today.
कितना डालना है?
One more one.
So for the pudding, we are making a strawberry cheesecake sort of a pudding. But my job is to crush all these biscuits and cut these strawberries. So I'm going to do that. But I also want to tell you guys something. If you guys have seen my Get to Know Me video, you must have noticed that I'm not much of a book reader. It's not that I don't like reading books. I just feel like I don't have the patience to flip through all those pages. There are some brilliant books out there which I would love to read. But I just feel like I'm very impatient to like sit and really indulge in a book. That's just not my thing. Which is why actually when Storytel, when they reached out to me, I was kind of intrigued because I mean the whole idea is to not read books but listen to books with Storytel. So I gave it a try for a couple of weeks and it literally changed the idea of like sitting and reading books to listening to books while whatever I'm doing. In fact, I think I will be listening to something right now as well because this will take some time. I'm currently listening to Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur. I like saying the fact that I'm listening to books and not reading books. It's a very boring task to sit and break these biscuits, guys, but trust me, listening to a book right now really helps. So now that I'm done crushing all these biscuits, I'm going to tell you guys about Storytel. Let me take this out. Storytel, like I said, is an audiobook app. It has over 1 lakh books in multiple regional languages. So it's not just English, Hindi. It's also Tamil, Marathi, Bengali, Telugu, Urdu, whichever language that you would like to read any books on. And they have a multiple genres and they have multiple selection of books that you can choose from. The best part that I found was that some of these books are actually narrated by celebrities. There's actually a book called Couple Goals that's narrated by Soha Ali Khan. and then you have another book that's narrated by Konkana Sen Sharma, and then of course the one that I'm listening to right now, Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur, is actually narrated by Rupi Kaur. I find it very fascinating, especially because, like I said, I don't like to sit and flip through pages. This entire thing just makes it so much more entertaining to have a familiar voice sort of narrating the story to you or the book to you. So the subscription for their app is $2.99 per month, and you also get a 14-day free trial. But with the link down below that I've mentioned, you can actually get a full 1 month free trial before you actually sign up. So you should definitely give that a try. In fact, I have 3 books on my shelf right now: Eat, Pray, FML, which cost $2,000, Milk and Honey, which again costs about 300 to 500 rupees, and Ikigai, that also costs around say about 375 rupees. So you can total it up yourself. It's way more than $2.99 per month. So this is a great affordable way to start reading books, and obviously not in the conventional way, but like in a more fun and entertaining way. The best part for me, like what took it away for me, was, you know, I can listen to these while I'm multitasking. I don't really have to like sit down and flip through pages. I can keep doing other things. I can edit while I'm listening to them, or I can cook like I'm doing today. Definitely a highly recommended app from my side if you are trying to start listening to books. So yeah, now that also my biscuits have been crushed, I'm gonna go finish with the pudding, and then I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna jump on to lunch now. In Hindi इसको लाल भाजी बोलते हैं, but in English it's basically red spinach or pink spinach, and I think these are called amaranth leaves if I'm not wrong. Let's taste it. Not bad actually. I should have this more often. It looks so pretty. It's totally Instagram worthy. अच्छा बना है.
Chalo, it's healthy. I'm happy. At least you're eating something healthy and different. Ishita, this is pink sandesh your Taima has made. She said, let me also make something pink for Ishita.
I'm just gonna have a little bit because I've eaten too much. It's nice. I feel like beetroot doesn't have any flavor of its own. It just adds natural coloring, which is great for me. So I am now attempting the pink coffee. So I've put this beetroot juice into this coffee. Now I'm gonna pour some milk. It's not bad. It tastes like coffee only, but like slight some flavor. I don't know what flavor it is. It tastes like strawberry, thoda sa, I don't know, but it's not bad. Definitely a thumbs up. This was not a disaster. So everyone I've had put up an Instagram story, and so many of you said it's gonna be a disaster and it's gonna ruin coffee for me forever. It didn't actually. I highly suggest that you give it a try. How's the taste, mommy?
It's nice to taste. Cheers.
Unless you want beetroot juice. So guys, अभी तक तो पिंक चैलेंज काफ़ी अच्छा जा रहा है. ब्रेकफास्ट वाज ओकेश, लंच काफ़ी अच्छा था, कॉफ़ी वाज आल्सो नॉट बैड, बट इट्स टाइम फॉर डिनर नाउ. एंड डिनर में वी आर हैविंग बीटरूट डोसा विद बीटरूट की चटनी. सो बेसिकली इट्स गोना बी अ पिंक डोसा, जो मैंने कभी पहले नहीं देखा है, ना ही ट्राई करा है. सो वी आर गोना गिव दैट अ ट्राई. एंड साथ में पिंक इडलीज भी होंगी. I'm very excited. All of this is being made by my mom. इसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही क्योंकि she is a pro at South Indian. जो पुडिंग हमने बनाई थी पहले, वो अभी फ्रिज में है. I'll probably have it out for dinner क्योंकि लंच में I had that sandesh. So let's go check it out in the kitchen.
Feeling good today.
So that was my dinner meal. The dosa was delicious. It tasted like a normal dosa actually, just a regular dosa taste करता है. Only the color was different because of the beetroot juice. And I have realized beetroot सिर्फ नाम से थोड़ा scary, healthy type की vegetable sound करती है, but actually it has literally no taste. I'm just gonna put this here. Yeah, it literally has no freaking taste. It just gives out the color. So yeah, my dinner was also a hit. You guys definitely tell me in the comments which of all these dishes was your favorite one, and I think you guys should try one of these at home, and if you do, and if you post it on Instagram, make sure you tag me as well. I would love to repost it. The pudding also was very tasty, but obviously that my mom's a pro at that pudding. She makes that very often. So that was not something new, but everything else was something new that I was eating for the first time. So it was a great experience. Also guys, do give Storytel a try. I mean, trial to free hai. Link mein description hogi. That gives you 1 month free trial of the application. It's an audiobook app, like I said. And if you're someone who is unable to take out time to read books, or is just like too impatient to sit and read books like me, this app will definitely be a game changer for you. So do give it a try. It's got variety of books available. Chick lit is my favorite genre to read, so I'm gonna put down a list of books that I recommend that you guys can check out. Apart from that, it has self-help books, it's got fiction, non-fiction, everything that you want to read in several languages. Before I leave, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. That's it for now, and good night.